Now we're going to mix together our sugar and our wet ingredients. First we'll need 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Make sure those cups are full and even. 1, 2, and 1/4 cup. Next we'll put our liquid ingredients. I like to use a glass measuring cup for easy cleanup. 1 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. Oops. Pour slowly. 1 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk because my husband can't drink the regular milk. He's lactose intolerant, so I always use soy milk. You can also use water. You can, if you want something with a little more flavor, you can add orange juice. And when I use orange juice, I always add a little bit of orange rind. I like to crack my eggs into the glass measuring cup so I can check it for broken shells. There's nothing worse than having a bite of cake with a piece of shell in it. And now 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to measure it over the bowl so that if any spills, it'll just go right into the batter. Now we'll mix that up until it gets a little bit light colored and it's completely mixed.